got somebody else. Thank you, everybody.
I was headed over to pick it up. Thank you.
Cowpuc rock.
Hi. The only one with the Oregon Duck signature, am I right? Where's your motorcycle? Where's your bike?
Right here. Right.
Excuse me.
Look what I got from off the Annie. It's on the other side, on the corner. Look on the other side. Look what I got from off the Annie. Who are you, young lady?
The owner.
The
My
owner.
husband and I own the hotel.
The owner of the hotel?
Uh-huh.
And you don't have to give me your full name if you don't want to.
Colleen.
Colleen, could you do me a favor?
Sure.
Could you sign my motorcycle?
That's awesome. Absolutely.
If I can find my pen, what do I do with my pen?
Oh, boy.
Right there. If there's any sticker on this thing that appeals to you, bring back memories, you may sign it anywhere, okay?
So cool.
Thank you.
I just put a smiley face.
Okay.